Okay, we out here. It's almost dark. It's not too far from dark. Look at them clouds. There's the west right there. See where the sun's about to set. But what I'm talking about is this right here. I'm trying to get this right before dark. I'm hoping this pulls out, comes out right in the camera. Whenever you see the double banded trees like this here, it's protected. That's woodpeckers' homes. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Let's see. Check that out. I don't think it's going to let me zoom too much further. Let me back off here. Just a little bit. You can see the hole there. Okay, you can see the sap too. I mean, see all that sap from it? That's their homes. Woodpecker. Woody Woodpecker himself. Now, they're very protected.